Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to record phone calls in your Android phone. So at first open up your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here go to record calls. Now you have to just enable auto record calls option from here. And it's done. Now call recording has been enabled successfully in your phone. Now if you want to get notification after recording, just enable this option from here. Now you can get notification after call recording. Now if I answer a phone call, now here you can see call record notification. That means the call is recording now. Now if I reject the phone call and then swipe from top to bottom, and here you can find your recorded calls, and here it is. Then select voice recorder, then tap on always, then tap on allow. Now from here you can listen your call recording. Now if you go to same settings again, then tap on recorded calls, you can also find your all the call recording from here. And that is how you can record calls in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.